Okay, here is a 1988 Baja Sport. You know these boats; these have sort of a cult following to them. They were just an amazing boat. The styling is great on the boat. The colors are perfect on the boat. And we're going to walk around to the back here and show you one of the big things, of course, about the boat is the sound of a big block engine starting up. Mr. Frank, go ahead. And there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Peters Marine, 610-433-1606. And you'll be able to, of course, you probably already seen this boat on the internet, but if you have anything, questions or want to talk to us some more about this, give us a call. Thank you.